Hey guys, this is Sartaj from hostorigins.com, and in this video we are gonna take a look how to create a beautiful e-commerce website using premium theme called WoodMart. This is one of the most popular theme right now on the market. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the screen and show you step by step. So this is the link of the theme that I will give in the video description. You can click and come here and you can purchase it. So let me show you what you will get after completing this video, what you can expect. Okay, so if I click on it, you can see this is the type of e-commerce website we are gonna building in this video with the help of this premium theme. So you can see this is a very beautiful, fully featured e-commerce website. Here is the hero section with the product image. If I scroll it down, we can see the featured categories. If I scroll it down, we can see the featured product where you can feature your latest products that you want to show on the home page. And if I scroll it down, we can see the newsletter option where your customer can subscribe by putting their email address. And this is the blog section where you can post helpful blogs for your customers. And I think this is a very beautiful e-commerce website. If I hover over the shop, we can see there are so many shop layouts. So let's take a look how the shop page will look like. Okay, now I'm clicking shop. Okay, so this is the shop page. It will look like something like this. Like your user can hover over and it switches the images. And let's take a look how the single shop page will look like. This is the archive page. You can see on the left side bar, your customer can filter with colors, filter with price, filter with size, and so on. If I click on the single product page, we can see the single product page. So you can see user can hover over the mouse and see the product visually, and your user can might be click next to change the picture, and also they can click the color and it will auto switch the images. Okay, so I think this is very cool, right? So this is one of the demo of the theme, but you can import maybe any other demos that you like. You can click on the theme and you can see other demos here. Okay, so they have 88 demos, I think, overall. So you can see which demo goes with your brand. Maybe if you have a vegetable business, then you can select this. If you have a mega market, then you can select this. And if you have furniture business, then you can maybe select these demos, right? So in this video, we're gonna build this one, okay, that I just show you, okay, like this one. We'll import this demo and we'll customize this a little bit, and we'll make a e-commerce website using the premium WoodMart theme. So first of all, in order to create a website using this theme is built for WordPress. So in order to create the website, we need two things. First of all, domain name and hosting. So when we have the domain name and hosting, we need to get this script, or we need to get this theme, and we can install it under our WordPress installation. So don't overcomplicate it. Let me show you step by step how we can do it. So first of all, we need to get the domain and hosting, and I recommend hostorigins.com to get your domain and hosting. So you need to search on the browser hostorigins.com and visit hostorigins.com. And under the web hosting, you can select WordPress web hosting, and you can choose any of the plan that you like. But I recommend you to get the Grobic plan because it provides most value for money. So click order now. So right now we are getting the domain and hosting for our website. So after we get the domain and hosting, we will start installation of the theme that we purchased. Okay, choose any of the plan that you like, but I recommend you to get the annual plan because it will give the more value for money and it will save 45% of your entire year. Okay, so scroll it down and from here choose the domain name that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase a furniture 997.com. So let's say I want to purchase this domain name. Just put the domain name that you want to purchase, and if it's available, click add to cart. Scroll it down, fill out all the details, click I have read, agreed and terms and conditions, and put your card number and place the order. Okay. So when you place the order with your domain and hosting, you will get a cPanel on your email address. So when you log into your cPanel, it will look like this. Okay. So first of all, you need to get the domain and hosting. So when you get the domain and hosting, you already get the cPanel, and you can simply log into your cPanel from the email address that you received from your hosting provider. In that case, hostorigins.com. So when you are on the cPanel, you will see interface like this. Okay. So now we need to install the WordPress first. Because this theme is based on WordPress, we are going to use WordPress to build our website. Under the search tools, search WordPress. This is the most easiest way to directly visit the WordPress installation option. Okay, let me log in again. I think it's session timeout. Okay, so when you search WordPress, you will get an option called WordPress Manager. Click on it, and there is an option called Install. Click on it. So when you click on it, you will get an option to choose your domain name. So let's say you purchase this domain name. So whatever the domain name you purchased, it will show over here. Choose the domain name where you want to install the WordPress. Under here, choose the username and set the password that you want. So in that case, I want to do this and put your email address of the administration email address that you want to use for this WordPress installation. And I think we are done. Now we need to click install. Okay. And it will take a bit time and it will be installed successfully. We can see WordPress has been installed successfully on our domain name. Now we need to click just this link and it will be logged into our WordPress dashboard. So please save the username and password of your WordPress installation that we just give, as well as this URL, because you need this URL in the future in order to log in your WordPress dashboard. Okay. So when you are on the WordPress dashboard, now we are almost there. Now we need to upload the theme on the WordPress, and then we can import the demo and start customization, and we can complete with our e-commerce website. Okay. So first of all, you need to come to under setting. Under the permalink, you need to set the permalink first into the post name. So this is the standard permalink type that industry uses. Okay. Now you need to come to appearance and themes. Under the themes, click add new theme. Okay. So now we need to upload the theme that we purchased from Theme Forest. Okay. So you can click the link below of my video description and come here and purchase the theme, and you will get a file that you need to upload on your WordPress. Okay. So come to appearance, themes, click upload theme and choose the file. Okay. Click on it. So when you purchase the theme, you will get a file like this. Let me show you what the files will look like. Okay. So you will get a file like this. So you need to go WoodMart theme and you will get a file like this, woodmart.zip. So choose that file and click install now. So when you click install now, it will take maybe a few seconds and your theme will be installed. Now hold on, we are waiting to be installed the theme. Okay, so when the theme is installed, it will show theme installed successfully. Now you need to click activate. Okay, so click activate. So now your theme is activated. Okay, now it will prompt you to the steps of the installation of the theme and demos. Click let's start. Okay, now you need to put the license key. So you will get a license key when you purchase the theme from Theme Forest. We need to put the key over here. So I'm hiding it because the key is personal thing. Okay, so I'm gonna hide it. Okay, let me activate it, the license. Okay, so after you successfully activated your license key, you will be prompted to this page where it will say license has been activated. Now you can click next. Now it will ask for install the child theme, but it's not mandatory. Click skip. Now it will ask you two options. It will give you the option to choose the page builder, which will be used in order to create the page. I highly recommend to choose Elementor because it will be much more easier and more flexible and more powerful than WP Bakery. So choose Elementor and click next. And it will ask you to install all the required plugins. Okay, so click install and activate all. It will install one by one and activated all the required plugin that this WoodMart premium theme has been required. Okay, so wait a few minutes until it get installed. Okay, so we can see all the required plugin has been installed. Now we can click next, and now it will ask us to choose the template that we want. Okay, so you can like click and preview the template if you want. So in that case, we are gonna use this template. Okay, but if your business match with any other template, you can also choose it. They have very beautiful pre-made templates that we can use and just customize and make the e-commerce website very fast. Okay, so I like this template. I am clicking import, and it will import the whole template, and our website will be ready within like few minutes. So we are waiting that to be imported. Okay, so another thing I'm gonna let you know, which is if you need any help with building website or any kind of technical things, you can always reach out to us on hostorigins.com. You can come to our website and click get a proposal, and you can reach out to our team via WhatsApp, Skype, or just fill out the form. We'll reach out to you within 1 business days, and we can discuss the project that you have. Okay, so if you have any project or any e-commerce website building needs, you can always reach out to us. We are gonna make the whole website for you. Okay, so we're waiting. It will importing the template. Okay, so after successfully imported the template, it will show something like this, where you can like click view pages and it will show all the pages and it will show imported. Now just click next. It will say congratulations, you have successfully installed our theme. That means we have successfully installed the theme and import the demo. Okay, now we need to click view homepage. It will show the homepage of the e-commerce website we just imported. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so we can see all the images, all the pages has been imported, and our e-commerce website template was ready. Now we can just customize it and make it on our own. Okay, so it was loading for the first time. For that reason, it was taking a bit time, but after that it will not take that long. Okay, so everything is ready. Now we can start customizing it. We can simply come to our WordPress dashboard. and we can see all the pages setting on the left bar. Okay, so you will find the option called WoodMart, and here you can edit the theme. Okay, and there is also an option called theme setting where you can set up all the theme options. So I'm clicking WoodMart and header builder, where we can edit the website header. This is called header of the website, so we can build a header from here. Okay, this is called a header, and this is called hero section, and this is called footer. So if you don't know, now you know. So from here we can set up the header. Now this is the header that was start icon, that means this header is showing right now. But if you want to change the header style, you can always do it by set as default. So this is different header types. You can check one by one by set as default and show your website. So let me change the header so I can show you how it works. Now I changed the header. If I reload it, you will see the header will be changed. Okay, so you can see this header has been changed. You can test one by one and see which header you like the most. Okay, so here you can manage your theme license, the license that we have activated. Here you will see all the theme plugins that theme has been installed, and you can also deactivate the plugin if you don't want any of this. And you can also add other compatible plugins such as HubSpot, CRM, or WPML. This is the multilingual plugin that will change the language of your website, and you can set multiple languages. This is WP Rocket that will speed up your website, so you can also use it. This is Docan. This is a multi-vendor plugin that makes your e-commerce website multi-vendor, means seller can come and list their websites and you can take commissions as a website admin. This is the US SEO plugin. You can also install it. It will help with doing SEO of your website. So just I'm giving you the basic overview of the plugins and overview of the themes, how it works. Okay. On the theme setting, if you come to the page title, this is called page title. You can see right now it's my blog, my WordPress. So here it is. Okay. So you can also change it from here. This is called page title. Okay. So you can change the page title from here. Okay. Okay. So this is all the options of your e-commerce website. So let me show you. This is the general option where you will find all the general setting of the theme. This is the style and colors. If you want to change the colors of the theme, right now it's green. You can also change it. If you come to the colors and styles and colors, you can change the color of the theme. Okay. If you come to the blog option, you can change this blog. You can edit up the blog page. Okay. So if you come to the shop, you can edit the shop page. So this is the shop page. We can see. If you come to the shop, you can edit the shop page. Okay. So let's say show pop-up, display widgets, and you can like play with it, and you can see how it works. Okay. So this is called product archive. This is the page. This is the product archive page. Okay. And this is the single product page. This is the single product page, and this is the product archive page. Okay. So if you come to the product archive, you can change this page style. If you come to the single product, you can change the style of that page. Okay. So we are almost, all of these are self-explanatory. If you come to the portfolio, you can change the portfolio page. So this is the portfolio page. If you don't want, you can also remove it from appearance. You can come to menus, and you can change, you can remove the page that you don't want. So let's say you don't want any of the page. You can select, you can select the menu from here, and you can remove it. Okay. Main menu left, you can select it. Shop page. Okay. Main navigation, you can come to the main navigation. Okay. So now you can like maybe remove the portfolio page if you don't want it. Okay. we can just simply remove it and click save, and this portfolio page will be removed. So keep the page that you want or remove the page that you don't want. Let us go to the theme setting again and click theme setting. Okay, so from here you can change the layout. So general setting is the overall setting of the theme. Page title, I already explained. Footer. Okay, so from here you can change this section of your theme. Okay, so typography, you can change the fonts, font size, these type of things. Style and color, blog, I already explained. My account. Okay, so you can change the my account login and dashboard from here. So this is the my account, I already logged in, so you can change this setting as well from your theme dashboard. So if you have any other API integrations like Google Map API, if you want to show the Google Maps, most of the time Google Maps are under the contact page. Okay, so this is the Google Maps. So if you want to add a Google Maps, you can add a Google Maps API from here. Just click here, sign up and get the API and put it here and click save, and your Google Maps will be shown. Okay, so you can also add custom CSS, custom JavaScript. If you need to add any custom JavaScript or CSS, you can also do it. So I already show you how to get domain and hosting. I show you how you can get the script of this premium e-commerce website, and I also show you how you can install it and make your e-commerce website live. But if you need any help with developing your e-commerce website, you can always reach out to us on our website called Host Origins. You can click get a proposal and you can reach out to us, and we will help you to set up your entire website. You don't need to do anything. If you are a e-commerce business owner, I think this is the very technical task that you need to go through. So you don't need to do anything else. You can simply reach out to us and we'll do all the heavy lifting for you. But if you're a developer, you can see how we install the theme and how all these things works. You can also do it by watching our this tutorial. So this is all. See you on the next video.